Good evening, everyone. Myself, Madhu Kushwaha, Assistant Professor in SIRT Pharmacy. Today, we will discuss about hormones regulating plasma calcium level. The subject name is Pharmacology Second, and the topic name is Parathyroid Hormone in 5th semester. First is content. The content name is Introduction of Calcium, Physiological Role of Calcium, Plasma Calcium Level. Next, parathyroid hormone, parathormone, PTH, synthesis and release, then mechanism of action, then uses. When we will discuss about parathyroid hormone, we need to know about the role of calcium in human body. Calcium is the most abundant body constituent, about 2% of body weight or 1 to 1.5 kilogram in an adult. Over 99% of these is stored in bones, the rest being distributed in plasma and all tissues and cells. The calcium resources are available, and these are the calcium resources. Then, physiological role of calcium. Calcium controls excitability of nerves and muscles, means the property of the neuron to produce an action potential and maintain integrity of the cell membrane. Calcium ion are essential for excitation, contraction in muscles, and calcium cause excitation, secretion, coupling in exocrine and endocrine. Calcium controls the release of neurotransmitter from nerve endings, and calcium is an essential intracellular messenger for hormones, autocoids. Then calcium controls impulses generation in heart. Calcium is essential for the clotting of blood, and calcium serves structural function in bone and teeth. Then plasma calcium level. The plasma calcium level are maintained by the parathyroid hormone PTH, calcitonin. The next one is calcitrol, the active form of vitamin D. These regulators control its intestinal absorption, exchange with bone and renal excretion, hormones, metabolite and drug influences, calcium homeostasis, regulation of calcium from intestinal absorption, then exchange with bone and elimination from urine. The preparations also available. First is calcium carbonate, 40% of calcium, calcium citrate, 21% of calcium, calcium gluconate, 9% of calcium, and calcium lactate, 13% of calcium. Then last, calcium chloride, 27% of calcium. Then hormone regulating calcium plasma, hormone regulating calcium level, parathyroid gland. Human beings have 4 parathyroid glands which are situated on the posterior surface of the lower and upper pole of the thyroid gland. Parathyroid glands are very small in size, measures about 6 mm long, 3 mm width and 2 mm thick with dark brown color. It is a single chain, 84 amino acids and polypeptide in nature. Then molecular weight about 9500. This is the structure of the thyroid gland and the positioning of the parathyroid gland in upper and lower side of the thyroid gland. Then synthesized as the parathyroid hormone, synthesized as the pre-pro parathyroid hormone. Secretion of parathyroid hormone is regulated by calcium concentration through calcium sensing receptor on the parathyroid cell surface. Fall in plasma calcium level, then induce parathyroid hormone released by increasing the CAMP pathway. Then agent which increases CAMP pathway cause parathyroid hormone releases. Prolonged hypokalemia cause hypertrophy and hyperplasia. The means of hypertrophy is an increase and growth of muscle cells, and hyperplasia means increases the number of cells. Prolonged hypercalcium prolonged hyperkalemia causes cellular atrophy, means cellular atrophy, a decrease in the size of a tissue or organ due to cellular shrinkage. Calcitriol inhibit parathyroid hormone genes expression in parathyroid cell, which decreases parathyroid hormone production. Parathyroid hormone is rapidly degraded in liver and kidney. The T-half of parathyroid hormone is 2.5 minutes. Action. The action of parathyroid hormone on different part of the body. First is bone. Parathyroid hormone promptly increase reabsorption of calcium from bone and increases bone remodeling unit and osteoclast. In kidney, the action of parathyroid hormone on kidney. The parathyroid hormone increase calcium reabsorption in DCT, distal convoluted tubule. Parathyroid hormone promote calcitriol and on the intestine. Parathyroid hormone has no direct effect on calcium absorption but increases it indirectly by enhancing the formation of calcitriol in the kidney by activating first alpha hydroxylase. Calcitriol then promotes intestinal absorption from GIT. This is the action. This is the action of the parathyroid hormone on kidney, bones, and GIT. Then mechanism of action of parathyroid hormone. This is the structure of the action of the parathyroid hormone. The parathyroid hormone receptor is a G protein coupled receptor which on activation increases CAMP formation and intercellular calcium in target cell. In bones, the target cell is the osteoblast because parathyroid hormone receptors are not expressed on the surface of the osteoclast. Acting on the osteoblast, parathyroid hormone induces a factor receptor for activation of nuclear factor kappa B ligand RANKL, which diffuses and combines with rank RANK on osteoclast precursor and then transform them into osteoclast as well as activates osteoclasts. This is the theoretical mechanism of action. Then manifestations. Hypoparathyroidism causes low plasma calcium level. Tetani means due to decreased blood calcium characterized by spasm of hand and feet. Convulsions. Laryngospasm means refer to a sudden spasm of the vocal cord, dysfunction of the vocal cords. Paresthesia means we feel like some pain. We feel like pins and needle sensation in the arm and hand and leg or feet. Cataract means the main symptom is blurry vision, no clear vision. and psychiatric changes. Hyperparathyroidism cause high plasma calcium level. Hyperkalemia, decalcification of bones, means softening of the bone due to the removal of the calcium ion. Deformities and fractures. Metastatic calcification, deposition of calcium salt in normal tissues is called as the metastatic calcification. Then renal stone, muscle weakness, constipation and anorexia. Uses. Parathyroid hormone is not used in hypoparathyroidism because plasma calcium can be elevated. Second, normal range more conveniently by vitamin D therapy. Parathyroid hormone given parenterally, while vitamin D can be given orally. Last is vitamin D is cheap. Thank you.